Hello everybody, welcome back to another channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a daisy keychain. I'm going to be using this yarn because it's not going to be big, so it's going to be small, so I'm going to use a small piece of yarn, and I like the color blue. I'm going to be using a 4.5 millimeter hook. And I have my split rings. It was really cheap, so I've just bought the whole bag. And I have my scissors, lovely scissors. Sorry for taking so long with my videos. I'm just busy, but let's get ahead with the video. Okay, to start off, we're gonna go ahead and make a slip knot and chain 55. To any new learners that are learning how to crochet, chaining is really easy. All you have to do is yarn over and pull through the hole, and you're going to do that 55 times. While you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and turn your chain to the side and single crochet into the back bumps of the single hook. You'll single crochet a total of 54 times. Here is me doing it with you for a little bit, and then I'll start to go ahead and fast forward to the next part. And this is how your work will look when you made your row. You're going to go ahead and chain 3 and turn your work around. You're going to go ahead and single crochet 5 together to make your first daisy stitch, and then chain 1. You're going to go ahead and put your hook in the first stitch, pull up a loop. Then you're going to place your hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. You're going to go ahead and do that for a total of 5 loops. Once you have 5 loops on your hook, you're going to go yarn over, pull through all 5 and chain 1. And that would be your first daisy stitch. Sorry, my accent. Now you're going to do that all the way to the end. So you're going to go ahead and repeat the steps. You're going to insert your hook into the eye, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Insert your hook between the last 2 legs of the stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the last work stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And now you're on your row again, and you're going to insert your hook into the next 2 stitches, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You're going to go ahead and have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all those 5 loops and chain 1. And you're going to go ahead and repeat those same steps through the whole row towards the end. And this is how the piece is looking like. I really like it. It's really my first time making it, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Chain 1 and turn your work. You're gonna go ahead and single crochet into that first stitch. You are then going to single crochet into that eye. You're gonna go ahead and skip a stitch and single crochet 2 times into that next stitch. And that is the pattern that you will be following throughout. So you're going to keep skipping a stitch and doing 2 single crochets, and you're going to do that 25 times. Now we are almost done with our piece. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for this row, you're just gonna single crochet all the way through. And then you're gonna go ahead and rotate your side up and single crochet into those 4 stitches on the side. And then you can go ahead and rotate and chain 1. You're going to place slip stitches across. Sorry for the shadows. I am with my baby sister, and she's gonna be walking around, and she might be in a little video of her for a second. Just a quick update, guys. I'm sorry. While I'm recording this video, I actually got in a car crash, like, while I'm making this part of the video. So I'm really not myself. So I was a little bit upset, and it kind of ruined my whole day. And it was a lot under pressure and stuff. So I'm trying to make this video short as possible and be quick with this project because it was just overwhelming. So yeah, we are gonna rotate our to the side up and single crochet 5 times towards the end pieces. Leave a pretty good tail and cut it off, and then the piece that you cut off, you're gonna go ahead and place it in the loop and pull it all the way through and push it down. Sorry I didn't show you guys. I totally forgot I didn't press record. And then you're gonna go ahead and weave in. I actually didn't have my weaving thread, my thread needle, that's what it's called, sorry. So I was using my hook. Like I said again, it really wasn't my day, and I just wanted to get over it. I do love recording and making guys videos, but it was just a really hard day. While I did that, at the end piece, I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 ends together and weave in together. And while you do a little stitches, you probably want to do 2 or 3 so it stays still. And then you're going to go ahead and put your split ring in the middle, and then keep weaving, get it in so it gets stuck together. And this is the final product. I'm actually happy. It's my first piece, and I'm happy with that. I did rush it a little bit. I do have to cut the end. I just have to find my scissors. I forgot where it was. But I put it with my card key, and I'm going to wear it all the time. So, and it's really handy because I don't really have to keep looking for my key or have to put my key in my pocket. I can just put it on my wrist. But I really like it. It's cute. It's comfy. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's unfortunate things happened today, and it really wasn't my day, but I'll make another video, so keep tuning in. Thank you guys. Love you. Please subscribe and like and comment below.